guys, today, obviously you've seen the thumbnail, that today we'll be opening cookeez makery. It's a fridge, and pretty much the first one I wanted is this one, and second one is this one, and third one is the polar bear. I swear it's somewhere that says names. Anyways, 1, mix your ingredients. 2, make and decorate. 3, chill in the fridge. 4, reveal your surprise pet. 5, we already know, shivering and scented. Interact plushie. Wait, let me get my other one I got from the oven. Guys, don't you remember her? See, it doesn't really talk. I think it doesn't have any batteries. I remember this one, so let's get a watch. It basically. Anyways, these are the names right here. The first. This strawberry unicake, tiger berry ripple, and this one is minty polar bear. I'm so excited. I really am. It cuts off my face, doesn't it? I put the camera way back. Please don't fall. That's what I thought. Anyways, let's open it. Whoa. Right, let's get this out. Or is it stick to something? Whoa, that was cool. Anyways, this is a fridge, and I'm excited already. Does it have a bottom? It does. It has pictures of all of them. I love it. Now, how do you open this fridge? Oh, I know. Alright, guys. I thought I had to, cut it. But I just had to open it. What is this? Whoa. I have a feeling something's inside here, you know? You know? Because in the other one, it's just like the oven. It's coming out from down here. Let me, smell it. It smells so good. But it kind of smells weird at the same time. How do you take this out? No, we're not doing it yet. How do you even do this? Wait. Alright. So, I already plugged some of it. Well, leave it open. Okay. Plug it down here, I think. Oh, I have a feeling. I have a bad feeling. There's in the back, too? What? How do you do this? Wait. Alright, so there's some in the back. Can't open it. Wait. Alright. Pull this out. My mom pulled it out for me because it's tough. Anyways, we're gonna do this right here. Alright. A recipe for love. 2 toy ingredients such as and 1 measuring cup, 1 pet mold, 1 of free accessories, 1 ice cube soup. It's cool. Alright, I got it open. I'm gonna take out the stuff. Whoa. Okay, is there anything else? No, okay. Do I need to take this out? Okay, no. Recipe book. Let me read it first. Whoa, this looks so cool. I need scissors to open this. Whoa. Is it gonna come out? Don't get it. What is this? What is this supposed to do? Wait. I'm confused. Okay. We got both of these. What are free accessories? Wait. I think I'm missing something. I only have this. And there's supposed to be these. Huh? I don't get it. What? Oh. Bro, I didn't know this. I could have thrown this away. Wait, what? There's nothing inside. Wait, where is the other piece of accessories? I don't get it. Wait.
No.
Alright, we're gonna pour the water.
Mm-hmm.
All of it in there. I already got the water in there and
Pour the whole thing here.
pour it all of it. Then
Yep, just like this one.
Whoa.
The instructions.
The instructions are on the bottom. Is there any more? No. There's still a little more. It kind of looks like cheese. See, it kind of looks like cheese. Kind of does look like cheese. Cheddar cheese. Time to mix it up. I'm mixing this. Wait, let me see the instructions. Whoa. Do I need more water or no? Let me feel it. Whoa. Feels weird. Oh, I don't think it mixed with the water. I think we're supposed to make it looks like I'm cooking cake. It looks like you gotta feed the baby. Open wide. And whoa, it got on me. Whoa. I need a little assistance, so I need a setup. So it said bring cake mix together with hands. Oh, I don't want it to touch my hands, but okay. Alright, it said I gotta mix it with my hands. Okay. Scared. Stir together using scoop. Scared. I don't want to touch my hands actually. Scared. Oh. It said, bring cake mix together with hands. Oh, feels weird. Smells weird. I don't want to smell that again. Whoa. Ew, it feels weird. Ew. Ew. This is so weird, guys. Ew, I'm even touching the phone. Alright, we're back. The camera just fell, so that's why I paused it. I'm gonna make it to a ball, it says. Alright, I'm gonna use this glue so I can put. So messy. It's very quiet. I know it is. I gotta hurry up. It's been 11 minutes now. It's already nighttime already. And I have school tomorrow, and I have to do it now. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but it was too late. Ew, it's getting on my bed. No. Get the crumbs out of here. Alright, I'm gonna make it to a ball. If you hear that sound, it's an alarm for cars going by. And it says you gotta put in this mold right here. Gotta hurry up. Anyways, it says to push toy dough firmly into pet mold so it fills the whole space. Okay. We need that feet. We need that feet. There used to be a bag in here, I think, so you can save this dough, but it's not anymore. I'm already too late. I know they have a waffle one, and it said push toy dough firmly, and now it says push both sides mold to release. Alright. Hey, open up. Oh no, I think it's broken. Okay, this is how it's going. Oh, just from this mold. I don't see a difference. Anyways. And now it says fully empty ice cream sachet. Oh, wait, where'd the other one go? Wait, let me find it. Oh, found it. You have to do number 2. First got number 1 and then number 2. It said dump it. No. Well, why is it purple on there and this one's blue? It ain't coming out. I'm gonna have to use my grubby hands. It's like putty. It's like a monster attacking. Whoa, you. Ew, why is this actually scratchy? I think it's gonna pop. I knew it. It looks like bubble gum, doesn't it? Ugh. Ooh, ew. Oh, do you hear that ASMR? You. Dump it. Ooh. Ew. Don't ruin the cake. Don't ruin it. No. No, I gotta rip it in. No. I don't know if you can see it though. Now it says using the scoop spread layer. Ew. This ain't helping. I think I'm gonna spread it out with my hands because it's not working. Wish I could eat this, but I'm not a kid anymore. I used to try like Play-Doh and it was very salty. I'm never trying that again. Come on, get back together. Let's get straight to the point. Anyway, after place the cake decoration on the ice cream layer once. All right. Ta-da. Anyways, then it says freeze. Place cake in the freezer. That cookie looks way better. Let me point it. Let me get it closer. Please don't fall. Then the fridge. Literally have to place my camera down. It looks so weird. Alright, I'm gonna put it inside. Now it says 10 minutes. Rotate 10 minutes. Wait. Alright. 10 minutes. Close the fridge door. Whoa, it's cooking. Do you hear that, guys? Oh, it's ready, it's ready. Oh gosh, oh my god. Oh. We got the... Oh, wait, does it come from the bottom? I was correct, it does come from the bottom. Oh, does it come on top actually? I think it does. Wait, so it was right here. Had to take. So, Oh gosh, we did it, guys. Wait, let me. Oh, that's how you do it. What if we can do it again? Can we? Can we? Oh, we can't. We can't do it again, though. Wow, that was fun. Oh, you got a new best friend. Oh, we did it. Oh. You have to squeeze your tongue. Oh. Smells weird, but smells good at the same time. So, we got this one right here. That was fun. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys, and watching me. That was pretty fun. It's a quite adventure. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.